Redis stores data in memory, which means a crash without proper backups equals data loss. In this video you will learn how Redis snapshots work, how to back them up, and how to restore from them confidently. Redis persistence at its simplest is a single binary file called dump.rdb. It captures a point-in-time snapshot of all your data, and copying it off the server is a complete backup. No special tooling required. You trigger a snapshot with BGSAVE, then poll LASTSAVE until the timestamp advances. Once confirmed, copy the file off host and verify it before discarding any older backup. Restoration is the reverse. Drop the file in place and restart Redis. First confirm where Redis will write the file using config getdir and config getdb file name. Then write some data, call BGSAVE and poll LASTSAVE until the timestamp advances. That timestamp change is your signal that the file is safe to copy. When reviewing a PR, watch for scripts that copy the RDB file before confirming LASTSAVE advanced, backups that stay on the same host, and restore steps that skip stopping Redis first. An untested restore is no restore at all. Remember, trigger BGSAVE and confirm with LASTSAVE. Copy off host, stop Redis before restoring, and drill the restore in staging. Backups you have never restored are a promise you have not kept.